Coach, alam ko natanong ka na dito eh. May response ka na. Kasi maraming usapan nung Kadayawan about dahil kalaban yung Lasal, then may mga PBA teams na natalo. Ano ba talaga, ano yung reflections mo lang doon na yung PBA teams pay the UAP champion sa tournament na yun?
Malakas talaga yung Lasal. No? Kung titignan mo yung team na yon, they have size, they have scorers, shooters, they have the quickness. Sabi ko nga, sina Topek, sina Coach Caloy, they have an excellent coaching staff. They really, the organization is really top class. No? Kung titignan mo yung organization. Ang isang ano rin doon siguro factor, no? Pag PBA team ka, and you take them for granted, no, they can embarrass you. And I think all the PBA teams there suffered, no, the same mistake. Kahit kami nung unang game namin, 1 point lang panahalo namin dun nung muntik kaming tinalo. Pero nung second time namin sila nakalaban, you prepare, no, you scout, you watch film, and you prepare a game plan. Nung una kasi parang college team, so lalaruin lang natin yung natural na laro natin. But that's not really going to work against a good team like Lasal. I really believe that they have a really good chance of winning back-to-back na UAAP title. Meron mga gumraduate sa kanila pero magagaling din yung mga bumalit eh. Then siguro ano rin, the PBA style of play is different. Parang pagbata mga kalaban mo, talagang takbuhan talaga yun. Mabuti na lang, at least sa amin, ang style namin, takbuhan din. Kaya nakikipagsabayan kami sa takbuhan sa kanila. But if you're not used to running for 48 minutes and you play actually any college team, no? You play any college team, parang ma-off ka dun sa timing mo, no? na kalaban yung mga ganong klaseng teams. So, tingin ko, it's a lesson, no, for PBA teams not to take UAAP teams for granted. Kasi hindi lang naman Lasal ang tingin kong malakas dyan eh. Malakas ang Ateneo, malakas ang UP, malakas ang NU. Ewan ko, yung mga Adamson or UST, baka malalakas din. So, iba na rin ang level of recruitment sa college. Alam natin na ang competition sa recruitment dyan, parang PBA na rin. Kaya college pa lang, nakakabuo na sila talaga ng malalakas na.
Coach, si Kong Noli, I know hindi naman serious yun na nagsabi siya, parang mas okay pa kung Lasal yung ilagay sa PBA. Would you think if may ganung would they be competitive in PBA setting?
They can be, no? They can be, pero sa tingin ko, yun nga eh. Kumbaga, pag nag-settle na pa lahat yun, I think lalamang pa rin naman pa yung mga PBA teams. Unang-una, pagdating sa experience, pagdating sa physicality, may lamang talaga yung mga yung advantage lang ng mga college teams, yung pag nag-relax ka, pag tinake mo sila for granted, then they can upset you. But once alam mo na yung kapasidad nila and you're prepared, I think you can better compete against those teams.
Coach, siyempre sa mga tune-ups and mga closed door na may mga PBA teams na nagtutune up with UAP teams, do you think yung similar na tournament sa Cagayan, like a Pro-Am tournament, would you think could that be interesting idea?
Hindi, nakita naman natin sa Davao parating puno So, I think that can be replicated. It would be nice to replicate it in some other places or other tournaments.